Okay, this is the Algebra 2 2.4 self-assessment portion. So we'll go through these a little faster since we have already been through the notes. So this gives you a point it goes through, that's xy, and a vertex, that's hk. So that tells me I should use vertex form. All right, so I'm going to fill in my y is -7. I don't know a. My x is 1. Minus h is -2 squared. K is +5. Okay, so I'm going to do this portion in my calculator. Remember, I can only do that portion because it's attached to the A. So I get 9A, and then I still have +5. Now I'm going to subtract the 5 next. So I get -12 equals 9A, and then I'll divide by 9, and I get A equals -4/3. So my equation, the A is -4/3. It is x minus -2, which turns into plus, and then squared, and 5 is out here. Okay, look at the next one. It passes through this point, so there's xy, has x-intercepts of -2 and 4. So there's my p and my q. So I'm going to use the intercept form because it goes through the two x-intercepts, and I know them. Y is 5. I don't know a. X is 2. P is, it's minus, and then P is -2. X is 2, minus, Q is 4. So minus and -2, I'm going to change to plus. I can do this in my calculator right here if need be. It's all multiplying. That's why it's okay to do all at once. And so I get -8A. Divide by -8. And so your A is -5/8. So your equation is -5/8 x minus -2, but I'm going to write that plus x minus 4. And that's my equation. Okay, and then here's our table, and it wants us to write and evaluate a function to determine the maximum profit. When we do that, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to do stat and hit enter on edit. If you need to clear your list, go up to where the black box is on list 2, the cursor, and hit clear, enter. And then go up to L1 and hit clear, enter. All right, if I type in my data, I have 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17. Type in your data. It's 2, that's your Y values. Be careful not to have any typos because that will throw off your entire thing. All right, and then go stat, over to calc, and choose the 5th one, which is quadratic regression. You can go down to 5 and hit enter, or just press the number 5. Okay, here's my equation. There's my A value, my B value, and my C value. So that was, A was -100 in front of x squared, B was 2,000 in front of x, C was minus 1,000. So now it wants the maximum profit, so that means the vertex. Remember that the vertex is -b/2a. Times -1,000, I'm sorry, -100, and that's 10. And so if you plug 10 into your equation, so you're going to plug it back into both x values of your equation, you get $9,000. So this is talking about the ticket price and the maximum profit. So when the ticket price is $10 a ticket, the max profit is $9,000. So if you think about it, like if your tickets are too cheap, then you're not making as much money as you could, but at some point you price yourself out where less people go, and then you're also not making money. So you're looking for the best situation where you can make the most profit possible.